fellow campers and newbies out there, this is Brett Yoder from Total Value RV, coming from Elkhart, Indiana, the #1 motorhome dealer in the state, 14th nationally. Today I'll be showing you the new Thor Ace 33.1. It is a crossover, so a lot of your Class C floor plans are going to be on a Ford F53 chassis. This is a Ford V10 engine, has 320 horsepower. We'll have the Ford 6-speed engine as well. So the great thing about Ace is, yes, it looks kind of like a Class C just because of the overhang here. So when you are driving down the road, the sun will stay out of your eyes. Auto bonded windshield here, easy access to your engine and battery compartment here. Moving down the line, or down the coach here, you have side cameras in your mirror, doggy window on the passenger side, and tons of baggage compartment storage here. You got the 28-inch door, 1 step going into the coach, 3 steps going into the coach, actual coach. So it's very easy for people that have problems with these and those issues. First compartment here, got plenty of pass-through storage. Moving on up, you got frameless windows. You can keep these windows open during a rainstorm. You also don't have to reseal every year. If you look up, you got a nice long awning. It does have that UV repellent on. Moving down the coach, your second baggage compartment. Look how large this is. Can fit a couple of lawn chairs in there, fishing poles, kayaks, but huge pass-through. Next to that is more storage. And then above that, underneath your awning, is going to be your entertainment center on the outside. New for this year is a Bluetooth speaker, and the TV will actually come out and swivel, so no matter what direction you're at, you'll always be able to watch television. Moving along below, or behind the rear axle, you got your propane tank. Get your freshwater tank fill here, your 6-gallon water heater, and right underneath that is going to be your hydraulic pump, easy access, and you got your in-house batteries. There's going to be 2 in-house batteries on this coach and 1 chassis battery. Next, on the very rear of the coach, you'll have a nice large baggage compartment. Going in the rear of the coach, LED lights, nice large emergency window in your bedroom, and then you have a backup camera above there. TPO roof, which is composite material, plastic, PVC. It's maintenance free. Now, Ace, they'll have a 5,000-pound pulling capacity, but an 8,000-pound tongue rated hitch. Move alongside, your generator is in the very rear of the coach, 5500. This is a 50-amp coach, so you will have 2 ACs, which we'll talk about it when we get inside. More baggage compartment area. Notice drain plugs in every compartment. Nice thing is you have 1 storage compartment for your sewer, easy access. This does tilt up and down, so it's a lot easier. You'll keep the crap off your hands. Extra shower to wash your hands off. And again, easy access on the other side to get to that compartment. It's pass through. More storage, and notice every compartment does have a LED light in it. So no matter where you're at in the dark, you'll be able to see what you're doing. Now this will have 19-inch tires. It'll be on the Ford F53 chassis, 18,000 pounds. Let's go into the coach. So now that I'm inside the coach, as you go upstairs, if you look to your right, you'll see a nice little compartment here. You can put flip-flops in there, shoes, whatever you would like. Of course, you have easy access to your battery disconnect and your awning. But when you come into the coach, this is Thor's most popular floor plan, #1 selling floor plan. They started in diesels and they worked themselves down into the Ace. If you notice, the slides are in, so this will give you a good demonstration or illustration of how it looks going down the road. But plenty of room for family, friends. If you notice, walking back, you can still get to the seat comfortably, oven, microwave, refrigerator, and then of course you got your all-in-one bathroom here. And then you will get to your bedroom. So I'm actually inside the 33.1 Thor Ace now. The slides are open. I want to start here with the cockpit. Nice thing about the Ace is you have this electric bed that is push button. It's 250 pounds max, but the nice thing is it works both when you go down the road, you can keep it down, but also when you're parked and you don't have visitors with you, you can take the mattress out and use it for more storage. So this is 250 pounds max. Nice thing is when you don't have any visitors, you can take this pad out and use it for more storage. But if you notice, you have 3 hidden storage in the very front. So that's nice if you want to hide things. Push button down, push button up. Below the overhead bed, you will have the driver and passenger seats. They do both swivel. But if you notice here in the driver's seat, everything is very easily touchable with your fingers, or at reach I should say. You have your 4.0 hydraulic leveling center here. Now remember always to turn your generator on when you're using that. You got your power heated mirrors here. You got your emergency switch here, lights, and then you have a nice 10-inch screen here. It is Bluetooth and it does have navigation on it. Now, exclusive from Total Value RV, no other dealer can say that, is look at the miles here. 46 miles. So when you buy something from us, we have no hidden fees. The nice thing is you are actually getting a brand new coach that no transporter has drove. So you're putting your crucial miles on the engine yourself. You got tons of cup holders here, and then the passenger, you have this nice table here. And you have outlets, so whatever you do, your iPad, your computer, you can charge it while you're going down the road. Behind the cockpit here, you have a nice long slide out, very deep. I believe it's 36 inches, maybe a little less. And you get this nice booth dinette. Notice you can easily relax. You got pads on the slide out here side. You can sit and relax and talk amongst your friends and family or visitors. Right here behind the driver's seat is going to be your jackknife couch. Notice when I put it up, look at all that storage you have. You can put blankets up there, more food, whatever you like. Across from that is going to be your theater seats, alright? These are wall huggers and they do collapse, so you can actually take a nice nap on there. Across from the theater seats are going to be your nice large TV. Now you're probably asking, well, what about the people on the couch and the booth dinette that can't see or view this TV? No problem. You got a TV right here on the wall. So there's actually 3 coaches inside and then a TV on the outside. You got plenty of drawers in your booth dinette. This is a dream dinette. So when you scoot in, you're not hitting your knees. When you're ready to put it down in a bed, it takes no less than 30 seconds. So across from the booth dinette is going to be your kitchen. Nice large stainless steel farmhouse sink. Of course you got more space here to put pots and pans. Notice your drawers are adjustable. Okay, so no matter what kind of dishes you have, you can adjust those or size of glasses. More cabinetry here, more drawers. Very easy, accessible. Notice you actually have room for a wastebasket. That's very important. Nice large countertop. Put a coffee maker here, a blender, whatever you enjoy. Nice large oven here. And then you got the recessed stovetop, which is 3-burner LP. Notice when you're not using it, this will collapse. Give you more countertop space. Above that is going to be your microwave. And then right to that is going to be your gas electric reefer. Going into the bathroom here, Nice large bathroom. You have plenty of room to move around, get ready for whatever event you're going to, or just going outside. But you got a nice large sink, nice countertop area. You can put hair dryers, makeup, cologne, deodorant, whatever you like, toothpaste, toothbrush. Plenty of room to put your towels and washcloths as well. And you do have a towel holder there. I'm 6 foot. Look how large this shower is. I mean, I can totally do a 360 in here and plenty of room. And the nice thing that Thor did is they went ahead and made a curve on this top railing. So for you that's looking or watching this video, you can't really see it, but it increases the amount of space in the shower. They have more room than what it appears to be outside the bathroom. Going into your bedroom here, I do want to point this out. Right next to the fridge is going to be a nice pantry. Now going on back, right across from your bed is going to have a nice countertop here. This is going to be your charging station. Of course, you have your TV, and then behind the TV even more storage. But look at all the cabinetry, guys. Should never be hurting for space. Of course, that's your table for your between your cockpit, your driver and passenger seats, and then you have even more storage here. Now, your bed, new for 19, you're going to have charging USB here. You are going to have nightstands, place to store your phone, and then right across from here, or the other side, is going to be a 12 volt for whoever uses the CPAP machine. So they have thought about everything. Cross ventilation windows, good for weather like here in Indiana, nice and breezy at night. More storage above your bed, and then you have this nice large window to, it actually makes the room look a little larger, and it brings natural light in. So again, my name is Brett Yoder. I am showing you the new Thor Ace 33.1. If you want to contact me, you can call my cell anytime at 574-849-4276, or you can reach me on email at brett@totalvaluerv.com. Have a great day.